APLOS Angel installation video. APLOS Angel is a direct flow, reverse osmosis drinking water system. It removes 99.9% of contaminants from your tap water. With its 4-stage filtration system, this is the perfect solution for purifying your tap water, fitting seamlessly under your kitchen sink or stylishly on your countertop. When installing, please ensure the surface is level and the unit is installed vertically. Do not lay the unit on its side. The reverse osmosis system must be connected to the cold water supply only. Please note that you should install a pressure reducing valve if your feed pressure is above 4 bar. We recommend that the system is installed by a trained professional in accordance with the operational manual provided. Your APLOS Angel box includes 1/4 inch tubing, 3 8-inch tubing, power adapter, adhesive plate, 2 screws and nuts, drain pipe saddle, quick release push fitting, 3-way valve with the rubber gasket, locking clips, operational manual, stainless steel faucet with washers and a locking plate. First, pick a location for your stainless steel faucet. Mark an area and drill a hole big enough for the piping to fit through. Once you have a hole drilled in your desired location, place down your rubber washer and stainless steel cover before feeding through the stainless steel faucet. On the reverse side, tighten with the steel washer and locking nut, twisting in place until the faucet is secured. Connect your quick release push fitting to the faucet. Next, take your 1/4 inch tubing and divide it in half. When cutting, make sure you cut straight and not at an angle, otherwise a leak might occur. Connect 1/2 of your 1/4 inch tubing to the quick release fitting and secure with the clips provided. On the back of the RO unit, remove the RO water blind plug and connect the 1/4 inch tubing from the faucet, making sure to push the tubing all the way in, securing with the clip provided. Next, install the 3-way ball valve. First, turn off the cold water supply. Using a wrench, disconnect the cold water supply flexible hose under the sink. There may still be water in the hose, so have a towel or bowl to hand in case. To ensure you have no leaks, you can take the optional step to add the thread seal tape around the brass threaded fitting. Connect the 3-way ball valve to the existing faucet and tighten with a wrench. Again, to ensure you have no leaks, you can take the optional step to add the thread seal tape around the threaded side of the 3-way ball valve. You can now reconnect the original cold water supply pipe, tightening with a wrench to ensure it is secure. Next, connect the 3/8 tubing to the 3-way ball valve, securing with the locking nut provided. You can tighten the nut with a wrench if needed, but do not over tighten as this can damage the fitting or crack the pipe, which can lead to leaks. Connect the 3/8 tubing to the inlet slot on the back of the RO unit, making sure to push the tubing all the way in and secure with the clip provided. Next, install the drain saddle. Pick a suitable location for the drain saddle. Align the adhesive plate on the front plate of the drain saddle. Then place the adhesive plate on your desired location on the vertical drain pipe. Carefully drill a hole in the drain pipe in the middle of the adhesive plate where indicated. Be sure not to penetrate the opposite side of the drain pipe. Attach the front and back panel of the drain saddle and tighten the screws and nuts provided evenly. Insert the second half of the 1/4 inch tubing that you cut earlier to the connection on the drain saddle. Make sure to push the tubing all the way in. Connect the 1/4 inch tubing to the outlet slot on the back of the RO unit and secure with the clip provided. Then connect the power cable to the back of the RO unit. You can now turn back on your cold water supply. Ensure you also turn on the tap on the 3-way valve. When you turn on the water supply, check if there are any leaks around your connections. When turned on, the RO unit will start working by automatically flushing the system and flashing orange lights. This water will be discharged from the drain pipe. After approximately 10 seconds, the flushing will end and the RO unit will be ready to purify water. You will see the lights change from orange to green. Water will flow through the filters directly to the tap. After installation and inspection, drain the water from the RO tap for at least 10 minutes. Repeat at least 3 times over the next 24 hours. With the APLOS Angel, you get pure, refreshing water straight from your tap. Clean, great tasting and ready to enjoy every day. Installing a mineral filter. You can take an extra step by installing an additional mineral filter, which enhances your water by restoring essential minerals, improving taste, and balancing pH for healthier, fresher drinking water. Your mineral filter will come with a mounting bracket, filter cartridge, adhesive plate, and 2 push fittings. First, mount your bracket either by drilling a hole or using the adhesive plate provided. Slot your filter cartridge into the mounting bracket with the push fittings attached, making sure your angled fitting is at the bottom of the filter. Cut the 1/4 inch RO water pipe, leaving enough to go from the top of your filter to your faucet. When cutting, make sure you cut straight and not at an angle, otherwise a leak might occur. Reconnect the 1/4 inch RO water pipe to the back of your RO unit and bottom of your mineral filter, making sure to push the tubing all the way in. Connect a shorter 1/4 inch RO water pipe to the top of your mineral filter, making sure to push the tubing all the way in. Finally, connect the 1/4 inch RO water pipe to your quick release fitting, making sure to push the tubing all the way in and securing with the clip provided. You can now enjoy pure, great tasting water straight from your tap, giving you fresh, mineral enriched hydration every day. APLOS Angel filter cartridge replacement. When it is time to change your APLOS Angel filter cartridges, the system on the RO unit will first begin to flash yellow, indicating which filter needs to be changed soon. A red flashing light indicates that the water filter life has expired and needs to be replaced urgently. The system will beep 5 times every 3 hours until the filter is replaced and reset. Filter lifespan can vary depending on water usage. Always refer to the operational manual for more details. To replace the filter, first start by turning off the water at the 3-way valve. There is no need to turn off the water supply valve. Open the tap on the faucet to drain the water and release pressure. Close the tap when there is no water left. Isolate power and unplug the unit. Then position the filter you are changing towards you for easier access. The filter will simply pop off. No need for twisting or use of force. Align your replacement filter and slot back into position. Again, no need for twisting or use of force. Press firmly on the bottom of the filter until you hear a click sound, indicating that it is properly installed. You can now turn back on the water at the 3-way valve and reconnect your power supply to the unit. Make sure to follow the instructions on your RO unit, as you must reset the filter lifespan after installing a new cartridge. Be sure to drain the water from the RO tap for at least 10 minutes after changing the filter. Please always refer to the operational manual for further installation guidelines and useful information. You can also scan the QR code on the side of your APLOS Angel to get the most up-to-date manual and instructions. EPS, Rethinking Water.